Hi guys, it's me Haley.
Hi guys, it's me Kelsey.
And we are Sis Squad. And today we're going to be doing this slime gloop. What is it called? Gloop. Slime gloop challenge. We're going to do a review on it. So let's get straight into the video. So we have all our materials. This is the sparkles we're going to be using. We're going to be using purple and this light blue. And they're going to be using this glue that they gave us. And then these gold sparkles. And then this thing. This is their, like, slime solution. They're only using red and blue to make purple. And then these containers and these sticks they gave us. So let's get straight into the... So we're not going to do any measurements. We're just going to, like, eye it. And I don't know why Kelsey's eating in the video currently, but it's whatever. Oh, and if you guys are wondering why we're so dressed, it's because we're just left in church. But I told her that we're not eating in our videos. But anyway. So, let's just pour glue in. And Kelsey, while I'm doing that, can you open this? Open glue.
Oh. It's already open.
No, it's not.
No.
Oh, that's all I have to do there. I'm just gonna pour the glue in. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the ASMR.
I'm gonna do it.
Oops. You're all up in my space. There you go. No, okay, I'm pouring the blue in the food dye. Alright. You are taking forever.
There's a lot in this container. I saw that.
We making some slime. It's gonna be purple with some blue sequins. That was bad.
No, it's gold sequins.
She's taking forever.
It's twirling by itself.
Whippy-doo! I got green leaves, mental turtles, green leaves, mental turtles, green leaves, unite! Okay, that's enough glue. Felicia. So good. Okay. Now let's pour in. When your glue spills. Now let's pour in some red first.
Ooh, we need some more glue.
Superwoman.
Some more glue.
Kelsey. 1 drop of red. Oh wow. 50 drops of red. No, you did the glue. Look at all that red. I didn't even mean to put that much.
Ew, it looks like blood. Bloody blood. Ew.
This is more. Okay, that's enough glue.
Why?
Because we're making purple. And if you put too much of the other one, it's not going to be a good purple. Well, this glue is thick.
Hey, no, you poured the things in.
It looks ugly.
No, it looks like a masterpiece.
No, it doesn't.
Guys, look, it looks like a masterpiece.
It looks
Yes, it does. It looks like a masterpiece. It looks like a masterpiece. It looks amazing.
It looks so ugly.
No, it doesn't. It looks amazing.
On the camera, it looks lighter, but it's not that light.
Amazing.
No, look, he's like. Let me mix it up because you're doing a horrible job right now.
No, I'm not.
Let me go get our other spoon. All right, we have our spoon, so let's see this. Ew, grab your
Take this. Where am I going to put it? I'll put it on the
Actually, no, we're not using this yet. Never mind.
I wanted to run the instructions.
We're not using no instructions. What you thought this was? I want to listen to the instructions. I think I put in too much red. It doesn't look purple. Guys, this might be a fail. Right now, I'm not really feeling it.
It's like kind of turning purple by the minute. Show them. Hey, show them.
It looks ugly. It's going to be a small slime. Like, one thing I don't like about this kit is that they don't give you much glue. Like, they should give you a bigger amount of glue. Read it.
If you want a bigger amount of glue, go get the other glue bottle.
It's not even coming out. Anywho.
No, duh.
You're so disrespectful. Like, you don't even have to be that disrespectful. It smells like grape. Okay, let's put this aside. Should we add any
Wait.
sprinkles?
Wait, it smells like grape. No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
It smells like glue.
Oh, wait. Give me a breath. Oh, no, that's your breath. That's your breath.
Like that. Maybe it was my breath.
Hey, hey,
Oh, right.
hey, mix. Oh, mix. Mix. Oh. You tripping, yo.
I don't know. Take it.
I know you want to see me. Oh, it's turning into slime. It's all chunky now. If I see him, I don't know if he'll throw.
Yeah, it's chunky now. Oh, this is weird. It kind of looks like snow. Doesn't look like snow.
Kill, stop talking so ghetto and give me this. Oops. I poured a little too much in.
Haley, you've done most of the things.
Because I'm awesome. Ew.
Go clean your hands.
No.
Ooh, Haley, you made it chunky.
No, the powder made it chunky.
No, you made it chunky. You don't have to add all that in. Ooh, now it's not turning into slime.
Be quiet. Mm-hmm.
Epic fail.
It's something wrong with the powder.
I don't know if you say it.
Ew.
No, you weren't singing.
This is a fail. Look at this stuff.
That's because you added too much in. Like a blue slime that was too wet. It had all that powder stuff in it. Again, Haley's fault.
This powder stuff. Why you put it back in there?
I don't want no in my hands. And I don't want no infections.
Okay, we're gonna do this again. We'll be back, guys. Alright, we're gonna try to do this again. Oh, take this one out. Yeah, it's so sticky. Alright, so some might say this is my fault. Some might say it was Kelsey's fault.
Nobody will say it was my fault. I think everybody will say this is your fault.
We're not supposed to be pointing fingers, Kelsey.
I'm not pointing a finger. I'm blaming it all on.
That's the meaning of pointing a finger.
I know that.
Then that was ignorant statement you just made.
I was trying to be hilarious, which I clearly am.
Kelsey, you just came from church. Why are you lying? Yo, this look like Dookie. Straight Dookie, man. Oh my god. What's that, Abak? What's that, Abak? Yo, this look like... This looks like Kelsey, baby, bro. Look how good.
What?
Yeah.
Haley, I heard that.
What I say?
You said I look like my baby. I'm gonna go show you guys to her.
No. No, you're not. No one wants to see that.
Yes, I am.
No one wants to see that.
Where is she?
No one wants to see that. I'm blind. Girl, hurry up.
Okay.
Shoot.
This is Malia.
Also known as Ugly.
Okay, are you ready for her face? Don't mind her hair. Don't mind her. We're getting that thing.
Girl, her hair is the best part.
Here is Malia. This is my baby. And, like, also there's Matthias. Where's Matthias? Go get Matthias.
No, I'm not getting thighs.
So, here's Malia, my precious little baby.
This is about to be a fail because this kid is booty.
I'm not gonna get all that stuff. We'll show you in another video.
No, we won't. Did nobody actually get that ugly thing?
She not ugly.
Yes, she is.
Thank you very much.
You're not welcome.
Whatever.
This stuff booty for real, for real. It's not even working. And how I end up doing all the work here?
Cause you seem to like to. You haven't asked me once to do that. So I'm just relaxing. Yes, I do. That's why I kept asking you.
Yo, she be lying.
I did. Okay. Everybody comment down below if I asked her or not.
We ain't gonna get no comments.
And also,
I think this is how it's supposed to be.
comment down below if you made slime, was it a fail or a success?
You see the beauty? So
But this video is not over. It's not.
so beautiful. So beautiful. It's beautiful.
Our videos are always so long.
Great. This only, I can't even see it.
Okay, guys, I'm
It's
gonna
only 11 minutes.
entertain you. I'm gonna do some jokes.
God.
Okay, what did the cow say when they were stuck in traffic?
Stop telling jokes, Kelsey.
Okay, you don't know? Woo! What's the biggest pencil in the world? Pennsylvania. Let's see.
Oh, that was so funny.
Wait.
All right, stop telling jokes.
What's a horse's pet peeve?
All right,
Noisy neighbors.
Kelsey, be quiet.
Okay.
All right, so, this is the finished product. This kit is booty. Please don't buy it. It will end up looking like this. We followed the directions and it ended up like this. So don't buy
I
this.
followed the directions.
You didn't even read it. So,
I don't care. I wanted to. You didn't want to listen to the instructions.
anyway,
So before you say we,
can you be quiet? I'm about to kick you off my channel. Anyway, so we only put a little bit in, and then this is what happened. So don't buy this. Don't do it. It was a big mistake. Oh, it bounces.
it can be like a soccer ball for you.
All right, peace. And we forgot to say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share on each and every one of our videos. Peace
Thanks.
and love.
Wait, we forgot to add our sequins.
Girl, ain't nobody doing that. You see how this thing turn? Peace.